Hey man, say man, what going on YouTube? It's your boy DreVlogs back with another video, man. And you know today, man, we vibing, we chilling, bro. And today we supposed to be here in Auburn. You feel what I'm saying? We finna pull up on Z-Walk, and we just gonna chill. We just gonna parlay. I gotta watch the Yoda, y'all. I ain't gonna cut y'all. Hey, what y'all think about some guy doing like some floor interior lights for the car? For sure. And I'm thinking about getting the stars in the roof. That would be hard. They got stars in the roof of their Mustang. It was hard. And like I've been thinking about it lately, so that'll be tough if I could do that. Throw the stars in the ceiling. That don't be tough. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Hey y'all, but once again today, man, your boy got a fresh cut, man. Barber snapped yesterday. And also, man, I just want to thank y'all for 1K subscribers, bro. It been a smooth journey, you feel what I'm saying? I remember when I first started this channel and I was at like, I think like 120, I still remember, bro. And I was like, man, I cannot wait till I get to 1K. And I'm at 1K. Thanks to y'all, man. I just want to thank y'all for the 1K. I like you over here.
No, listen though.
I'm gonna get his ass. I know.
So you saying you gave a scat pack in that RT?
No, he had a Hemi, bro.
He had a 392 Hemi.
Yeah.
And you gave him a car link.
I swear to God,
And you walked
bro.
around.
On my baby, nigga.
Bullshit.
On my baby. I'm telling you, bro.
Ty, I like you, bro. I like you.
But I'm telling your ass, bro. This, I swear to fucking God, on grandma. I swear to God, I beat the fuck out. I came back and beat the fuck out. 2019.
Can you give me a car link?
Oh, shit. I mean, yeah, I would, but I said, can I catch up to you? I'll race your ass now. I ain't finished that goddamn. We can race now.
You think you'll beat me?
Hell yeah. I know that.
Yeah.
You heard what he said.
You got gray hair to him? That should tell you something. Okay, you think you finna walk on fucking scat?
Hey.
Wisdom.
You heard what he said?
Yeah.
I like you beating it. Yeah. Scat challenge, we can do that.
I want that damn.
You wouldn't beat me.
We just talking now.
Hey man, yeah, call Kedge. Tell Kedge I skin his ass. Hey man, hey YouTube, man. We just started all these boys up here talking about, hey. Ty, what you got?
You better hold Kenny on.
What you got? What you got, Toy?
300, man.
We got 300. We got a Chrysler 300,
5.7.
5.7 against the Scat Pack Challenge.
5.0 to my head.
That'll skin your ass. That'll skin your ass, boy.
Look, come to you, bro. Can you come to your balcony, bro? We standing out here.
We standing out here. Come to your balcony.
Nigga,
ASAP.
that nigga 5.0 to my head. That's your 392 Hemi, bro.
Rock like just roll.
We gonna roll.
Whatever you want to do, man.
We can do
I
that.
ain't gonna lie though, like if we got that still, you gonna lunch, but I'm gonna catch up to you. My shit gonna do the same shit his shit did. Spend out and then got down.
So I'm finna do it to him. Hey
See
y'all.
what they got down Coyote Hill, man. Shit, it look nice.
Hey man.
You know what I'm saying?
For
But
some reason.
It's nice enough to beat me though. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, look.
Is it nice
we
enough
gonna
to beat me,
we
man?
gonna skin Ty, and then we gonna do man. My front wheel on his back wheel, and that's how we gonna do that. We gonna end it. We gonna end it real quick right here.
Man, why that? Oh,
We gonna end it real quick right here.
dude,
Oh yeah.
Man, I need to see that, man.
Hey man, say man. It's a net day, twin, and listen. We finna head over here. What I'm finna do today, I'm finna take my decals off. My YouTube decals. I got some coming up that's special though. Today, your boy got a fresh cut. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. You having the motivation of the day, bro. If you're having a bad day, go to your barber or go to your hairstylist, your nail tech, your lash tech, your salon. No matter what, just go to them, bro. They gonna make you feel better, bro. If you're having a bad day, they gonna make you feel better, bro. They gonna make you feel so good about yourself, bro. Like, I ain't even gonna count to you, bro. Every time I go to the barber shop, boy, my nigga snap, boy. Ain't even gonna count to you. Man, we heading to Auburn's A-Day, man. We finna go out here and support my boy Z-Walk, man. It's his last A-Day, so we're gonna go out here. We're gonna vlog today. Make sure y'all just stay locked in today, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And bro, once again, just wanna thank y'all for giving me the 1K subs, bro. And make sure y'all share the video, man. If you mess with me, you gonna share them videos. And today, ain't gonna lie to y'all, I don't know what it gonna look like there. I'm pretty sure it gonna be kind of deep in Auburn. We don't know. So we really just vibing, bro. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be trying to go ahead and get these vlogs out to y'all so y'all can see them. I need to lock in, basically. I need to lock in. Not gonna lie to you. So man, yeah, just stay tuned to the video, man. We're gonna do what we do, and we're gonna lock in, and we're gonna enjoy the day, man. Y'all coming on with me. Let's do it. Oh man, go ahead. Nah, ain't too late now.
No, wait.
It's too late. Nah, ain't too late now. What she gonna say she be in the vlog?
Mom. Well, hey to the vlog. Hey, say hey to the vlog.
Say hey to the vlog.
Say what's up, YouTube?
Yeah.
LT say hey to the vlog.
Hey man, you gotta go ahead like,
comment, and subscribe.
now you gotta introduce yourself, cause this the first time you been on the
Okay,
channel.
let's start it over. It's your girl, Big Jazz, clocking in, tuning in.
What we on today, Big Jazz?
We on some A-Day type shit.
Oh, there we go.
Supporting the brother,
You feel me?
Big 91.
Z-Walk, man, you feel
Y'all
me?
go at him on the ground and Walker Boy 6. Yeah.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. This girl funny. But I got a question for y'all.
No.
I got a question. Tell me, is she lighter than me or like darker? We need to know this. We need to know this.
It's always a debate. Like, we're debating this. You know you dogs. Like, you know.
Hey, y'all. I'm just saying, she pulled up in the car and think I see her teeth.
Then nobody can see you.
I ain't gonna lie though. That's one thing about her dark skinned people. They can tell your teeth white. You got some white teeth.
I know I do.
So,
But then my thing, we did not see you at all. Until you said something on the phone.
when?
At work.
I got tint in my car.
You was outside of the car. You was walking. Did nobody see you until you said, man, I don't see nothing but you. We did not see you. Y'all see that bid number 91, Zacchaeus Walker DL. What we?
6'4".
Yeah, Ellaville, Georgia. Sly County, Georgia. That's him.
I got you.
Big walk dog, walk him down.
We're gonna see who's gonna be the first one to spot him.
All right.
What if I already found him?
You have it.
How you know?
Cause I know you had you would have been.
I got you. And you missed it. Go pick up your trash, bro. Go pick up your trash, bro. You gotta be a good Samaritan, bro. Hey, your bot missed up. Have y'all ever seen this sweet smoky mustard? We're gonna need you to do a taste test. Taste test right now.
I bust him over like this and run off.
Bro, don't do that, bro. Be honest. We need you to rate them on a scale of 1 to 10.
They ain't bad. You know?
What'd you rate them? 4 out of 10. Oh yeah, I don't want those. The smell ain't bad though. Mike, what you said?
Simpson today. Yeah, spring game vibe, you know what I'm saying?
My bad.
It's been a great day.
The sun scorching up out
Yeah,
here.
it is. It be.
That's why I should have got a football.
Oh, football man.
So bro, look. Jay got some food. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, finna slide back Z-Walk spot and we finna then chill out and we finna see what the next thing gonna be. Man, hey listen. Man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. A-Day really be smooth. It really don't be nothing too crazy for real going on. Like, it's just good vibes, man. I just hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. I really do. And the day was a smooth day. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video, man. Thank y'all again for 1K, man. We done hit 1K, man. Roll to 5K, man. You feel what I'm saying? Let's do it. Roll to 5K. Let's do it. That's a net milestone. So we can do that. You already know I'm dropping video after video after video. Just stay tuned, y'all. We're going up. And all y'all got to do is lock in with me. Let's do it.
Hey, what's up?